Hope you are doing well, and if you didn't see my tutorial about the start conditions in Extrude boss or base, you can also watch that tutorial. I will provide link of that tutorial in the description of this video. So let's start today's tutorial about the end conditions in Extrude boss or base. I have drawn these two bodies in the top plane, like I'm making it normal, and from here edit this sketch, and here I give the radius of 43.23 of this central arc, and then I select the extrude boss base and choose a thin feature of 10 mm, and from here I select mid plane and provide this dimension as 40 mm. Then I draw this sketch, and after that I use extrude boss base, and from here I select the mid plane and give this dimension as 40. Then I draw two planes, one is here and then other one is here. I will show it to you like this, and the first plane is 40 mm from the front plane, and the second one is 80 mm from the front plane, like this. Here I select the front plane and I provide the dimension of 80 mm. Press OK. Then I draw a center rectangle on this plane like this of 40 and 80 mm. Then I choose extrude boss base, and from here I select mid plane and give the thickness of 10 mm here. Okay, now just edit this sketch, and from here select extrude boss base, and here you can see the end conditions of the extrude boss base. There are 7 end conditions of the extrude boss base. First one is blind, and I'm selecting the blind here, and here you can either select this merge result. I'm selecting as unselect merge result, and from here you can select the direction 2 and the thin feature. I'm not selecting this one. You can also watch all about this in the video that I provide in the description, that was about the start conditions in extrude boss base. Press OK, and now I will just change the color of this body from the appearance, and from here I'm selecting this one and selecting the yellow color to this. Press OK. From here again edit this feature and scroll down it, and then here is the option of through all. That is the second end condition. I'm selecting this, and from here I'm selecting the reverse direction. As you can see that through all means it will start from here and end up to the end of our model or up to the end of our bodies. Press OK. Now you can see that this is the second end condition, and I'm hiding this plane. Now again I will edit this feature, and I will select the third one end condition, that is up to the next. It means that it will extrude or move up to the next body. The next body is red one here, then it will be up to this body, and press OK from here. Now you can see that it is the third end condition, and again I will edit this feature, and from here I'm selecting up to the vertex. That is the fourth end condition, and I can either select this vertex or this vertex or this vertex. I'm selecting this point as a vertex point, and from here I'm selecting OK. Now you can see that this body is up to this vertex. Similarly, you can choose according to your desired vertex, and I'm selecting the fifth end condition, that is up to the surface. Press OK. and here I will choose the surface, and either I can choose this one, this one, this one, or this one. Here I'm selecting this one, press OK. Now you can see that it has been drawn in this shape up to this surface. Now again edit this feature, scroll down the end conditions. From here I'm selecting offset from the surface. Now it will be offset from the surface that we will choose. I'm choosing this one, and here it will asking about the distance, and I'm selecting here 5 mm. Here you can see that it has been offset from this surface up to 5 mm. Here we can also increase this according to our desired value. I'm selecting 10 mm and press OK from here. You can see that. Similarly, you can also reverse the direction of this one, and from here I'm selecting up to the body. That will be, I'm selecting this body and it will be up to this body. Similarly, I'm clearing this selection and I'm selecting this body and it will be up to this body here. Okay. Now again scroll down it, and this one is the last end condition in extrude boss base, that is the mid plane, and it will be extruded in both directions. Like I'm giving this value as 80 mm. Now you can see that it has been extruded from the mid plane of 80 mm. That was all about the end conditions in the extrude boss base.